Are you tired of the daily grind of your 9-to-5 job, dreaming of breaking free and starting your own business? You're not alone. Many people desire the freedom, creativity, and potential rewards of entrepreneurship. However, making the leap from a steady paycheck to becoming your own boss can be daunting. So that's why in today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to successfully quit your 9-to-5 and embrace the exciting world of entrepreneurship. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Millionaire Luxe Room, where we help you achieve financial freedom, cultivate a wealth mindset, embrace entrepreneurship, and find daily inspiration and motivation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving deep into the steps to successfully transition from your 9-to-5 job to becoming your own boss. Let's start with the first and most important step. Number 1. Understand your why. Before taking the plunge into entrepreneurship, it's crucial to understand why you want to make the change. Is it for financial independence, more control over your schedule, or the desire to build something you're passionate about? Knowing your why will help you stay focused and motivated, especially during challenging times. Actionable tip. Write down your reasons for wanting to leave your job and start a business. Keep this list handy as a reminder of your purpose and motivation throughout your entrepreneurial journey. Deeper insight. Understanding your why isn't just about having a reason, it's about having a driving force that can sustain you through the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. Your why should be strong enough to push you through late nights, tough decisions, and periods of uncertainty. It's this foundational motivation that'll keep you moving forward when challenges arise. Number 2. Develop a solid business idea. Having a solid business idea is the foundation of your entrepreneurial journey. Your idea should align with your passions and skills while solving a problem or fulfilling a need in the market. Take the time to research your idea thoroughly and understand your target audience, competition, and potential challenges. Actionable tip. Conduct market research to validate your business idea. Create surveys, analyze competitors, and speak directly with potential customers to gather insights and refine your concept. Deeper insight. A successful business idea is not just about passion, but also about practicality. It's important to ensure that there is a demand for your product or service and that you can differentiate yourself from the competition. By validating your idea early, you minimize the risk of pursuing a business that won't be sustainable in the long run. Number 3. Create a detailed business plan. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap for your entrepreneurial journey. It outlines your business goals, target market, competitive landscape, marketing strategies, financial projections, and also operational plans. A detailed business plan will not only help you stay organized, but also attract potential investors or partners. Actionable tip. Break down your business plan into manageable sections and set deadlines for completing each part. Use online resources or templates to guide you through the process. Deeper insight. A business plan is more than just a formal document. It's a strategic tool that forces you to think critically about every aspect of your business. From financial projections to marketing strategies, a thorough business plan helps you anticipate challenges, identify opportunities, and stay focused on your goals. Number 4. Build a financial cushion. Transitioning from a stable job to entrepreneurship can be financially risky, especially in the early stages when your business might not generate consistent income. Building a financial cushion helps you manage your personal expenses and reduces the pressure on your new venture. Actionable tip. Aim to save at least 6 months' worth of living expenses before quitting your job. Cut unnecessary expenses and boost your savings with side gigs or freelance work if necessary. Deeper insight. Financial stability is critical when starting a business. By having a financial cushion, you give yourself the freedom to make strategic decisions without being driven by immediate financial pressure. This buffer allows you to focus on building and growing your business rather than worrying about how you'll pay your bills. Number 5. Start your business on the side. If possible, start your business as a side hustle while you're still employed. This approach allows you to test your business idea, build a customer base, and generate some income without the financial pressure of going all in. Plus, it gives you valuable experience and insights into running a business. Actionable tip: set aside dedicated time each week to work on your side business. Use this time to develop your product or service, market to potential customers, and refine your business processes. Deeper insight: starting your business on the side allows you to experiment and learn with a safety net in place. You can make mistakes, learn from them, and adjust your approach without the full financial risk of quitting your job. This strategy helps you build momentum and confidence before making the full transition to entrepreneurship. Number 6. Network and build relationships. Networking is an invaluable tool for any aspiring entrepreneur. Building relationships with other entrepreneurs, potential clients, investors, and mentors can open doors to new opportunities, as well as resources and support. Attend networking events, join online communities, and leverage social media to connect with others in your industry. Actionable tip: make it a goal to attend at least one networking event or join an online community each month. Be proactive in reaching out to people and offering value before asking for anything in return. Deeper insight: networking is more than just exchanging business cards. It's about building genuine relationships that can support you throughout your entrepreneurial journey. By surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, you gain access to diverse perspectives, advice, and potential collaborations that can accelerate your business growth. Number 7. Prepare for the transition. Quitting your job and starting a business is a significant life change, and it's important to prepare both mentally and emotionally. Understanding that entrepreneurship comes with uncertainty and there will be ups and downs along the way, develop a mindset that embraces challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Actionable tip: practice mindfulness techniques such as meditation or journaling to manage stress and stay focused during the transition. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, and mentors who can offer encouragement and guidance. Deeper insight: the transition to entrepreneurship requires resilience and adaptability. By preparing mentally and emotionally, you equip yourself to handle the inevitable challenges and setbacks that come with starting a business. Building a strong support network can provide encouragement and help you stay grounded as you navigate this new chapter. Number 8. Set clear milestones and goals. Setting clear milestones and goals for your business will help you stay on track and measure your progress as well. Break down your larger business objectives into smaller, actionable steps and set deadlines for achieving them. This approach will keep you motivated and provide a sense of accomplishment as you reach each milestone. Actionable tip: use project management tools like Trello or Asana to organize your tasks and deadlines. Review your goals regularly and adjust them as needed to stay aligned with your business vision. Deeper insight: milestones and goals serve as benchmarks that guide your progress and provide clarity on what success looks like. They help you maintain focus and momentum, ensuring that you are always moving toward your long-term vision. Number 9. Develop a strong marketing strategy. No matter how great your product or service is, it won't sell itself. Developing a strong marketing strategy is crucial for attracting customers and growing your business. Identify the best channels for reaching your target audience, such as social media, content marketing, email campaigns, or paid advertising, and develop a plan to engage them effectively. Actionable tip: start by creating a simple marketing plan that outlines your target audience, key messages, and promotional tactics. Test different marketing strategies to see what resonates most with your audience and refine your approach over time. Deeper insight: a successful marketing strategy is built on understanding your customers' needs and how your product or service can solve their problems. By focusing on creating value and building relationships with your audience, you can build a loyal customer base and drive sustainable growth. Number 10. Don't be afraid to pivot. Entrepreneurship is a journey filled with experimentation and learning. Sometimes your initial business idea may need to evolve or pivot based on customer feedback, market changes, or personal insight. Don't be afraid to make changes if something isn't working. Being adaptable and open to new possibilities is key to entrepreneurial success. Actionable tip: regularly review your business performance and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Be willing to adjust your strategy, product, or service based on what you learn. Deeper insight: flexibility and adaptability are essential traits for entrepreneurs. The ability to pivot allows you to stay relevant in a constantly changing market and better meet your customers' needs. Embracing change rather than resisting it can lead to innovation and new opportunities for growth. Quitting your 9-to-5 and becoming an entrepreneur is a bold and exciting decision that can lead to personal fulfillment, financial independence, and the opportunity to create something truly impactful. By following these steps, understanding your why, developing a solid business idea, building a financial cushion, networking, and being adaptable, you can successfully transition from employee to entrepreneur. Remember, the road to entrepreneurship is not always easy, but with determination, resilience, and a clear plan, you can achieve your dreams and build a thriving business. So, take the leap, embrace the journey, and start living life on your terms. The entrepreneurial journey is not just about building a business, it's about building a life that aligns with your values, passions, and aspirations. It's about taking control of your destiny and creating a legacy that reflects your unique vision. Start today and make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to the Millionaire Luxe Room for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments which steps you're most excited to take in your journey to entrepreneurship. Your experience could inspire others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.